the classic set for July 27th. Looks like the total for that is going to be $170 plus an additional $40 because you're not a member. How does that sound to you? If you love eyelash extensions but you don't love the price, then here is a wonderful alternative. I ordered from Eyeshine Cosmetics and got some of their lash clusters and some of their tools that they use to put them on. And so I got their classic set in 2 different sizes, which actually has instructions on the back that's very helpful. Their bond and their seal, a bristle brush, their remover, and 2 various forms of tweezers. If I'm being honest, all the tools are kind of unnecessary, but I'm just showing you everything I used. So I'm going through and making sure that my eyelashes are clean. And anyways, so here I'm applying the bond in the color black. And you want to make sure you put that on the base of your lashes because a little goes a long way. So once you start picking up the lash clusters and applying them to your lashes, they'll stick immediately. It's really important that you put the lashes on to the base of the lashes and not on your waterline. Because if they're touching your waterline, then it's going to feel like the lashes are like scratching your eyeball every time you close your eyeball. And it's going to be really irritated. So just make sure that you don't put it on this pink part, but put it right above like that area, like where the base of your lashes are. And I'm going to provide you guys with a lash map of how you can recreate this look, but you just want to start off with the longer lashes on the outer corner and the shorter ones in the inner corner, and it'll kind of give you like a cat eye look if that's what you're trying to go for. So after I put all those down, then I clamped the lashes together with my natural lashes. I took the seal that's on the other end of the bond and I used this to seal the look just so that the glue wasn't sticky anymore. I put this on the big tweezers tool, whatever you would call this, and use that to clamp my natural lashes together to kind of seal everything together. You could also just use an eyelash curler to kind of finish it off. Looks like I was excited that it was working. Then I got my spoolie brush and used that to kind of just brush out my lashes, and here was the final result. I really liked how they turned out, but then the next day I ended up adding more lashes to get a little bit more volume. And it's really self-explanatory. Like if you got it down, you just add more lashes on top of what you have to get a little bit more volume. And so I ended up adding, I think, like a 14mm to get a little bit more volume at the end. And yeah, this was the final result. These lashes last 3 to 5 days, but if you want to remove them, then you can buy their removal oil, and you just apply it to your lashes on the top and the bottom. You let it sit for about 2 minutes and do that on both of your eyes, and then you should be able to just pull the lashes off, or like not even pull them off, like they should come off fairly easily, like if you just press down on your lashes and open your eyes.
A few moments later.
I definitely wouldn't recommend pulling, but if you kind of just place your finger over all the lashes and slowly open your eye, then they'll just slowly start coming off, and it works fairly easily. I was definitely like surprised, and you can see it on my face. I was surprised that they were coming off so easily, and I wanted to try a different method, so I just went ahead and I took the tool and kind of pressed down on my lashes to see how easy it would come off. And so yeah, I guess it was just really shocking that like my lashes were so secure, and then it only took 2 minutes for it to like dissolve. Hey guys, I just wanted to come in and say thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, for watching all the way through. Let me know if you have any other questions. All the links to the materials and stuff that I use will be in the description. And I appreciate you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.